The Khalistani sympathizer Amritpal Singh is also set to launch his regional political party in Punjab, and the party will be announced during a rally on the 14th of Jan at the Maghi Mela in Muktsar. Now, family of Amritpal will announce the party. Poster of launching political party already being circulated with photograph of Amritpal Singh and Bhindranwale. That is the update we have right now. Posters of Amritpal's party are surfacing, and not just that, it's not only Amritpal Singh's photograph that is featuring, it's also Bhindranwale that is featuring in those posters. Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, the Khalistani terrorist who was leading the Khalistani movement in the 80s. And posters, you can see, that is the poster. You can see to the top left, it's Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, and to the right you see the larger picture is that of Amritpal Singh, who is the Khadur Sahib MP as well. He remains, of course, in jail. But on 14th of January, we expect that this party, this political party, will be officially announced. That's the update we're getting in right now. Pro-Khalistani preacher, Khalistani sympathizer, Amritpal Singh, back in the news. And he's a jailed MP, remember. And he plans to form a new political party. And we have my colleague Madhurima Mishra joining us live on the broadcast from the newsroom. Madhurima, well, it was in the offing. There were some reports coming in since last year around September as well that his father is going to float a new party. And now we see the posters have also come in with Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale also featuring in those posters.
Well, yes, Rakshita, that is the news that we are breaking for viewers at this particular moment, that Amritpal Singh is going to float a new regional party on January 14th. What needs to be seen here is, as we know, that Amritpal is lodged inside the Dibrugarh jail in the state of Assam. His parents will be launching the party on his behest on January 14th. And yes, like you very rightly pointed out, that alongside the picture of Amritpal, who is inside the jail and is facing charges under some very serious acts of UAPA as well. There is a picture of the Khalistani terrorist Bhindranwale as well. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how does the Aam Aadmi Party government and how does Amritpal takes the his particular movement of a separate Khalistan ahead through his agenda while being a parliamentarian of our country, because he has made it abundantly clear on multiple occasions. We have also exclusively spoken to him on various occasions where he goes on to unabashedly say that he supports the Khalistani movement and will continue to do so. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what really happens after January 14th. But yes, him floating a regional party is a concern for the state of Punjab.
Big time concern. Thank you so much for the moment joining us with the detailed viewers.